Welcome back. In today's project, I'll be showing you how to make a custom double-layer name tag using a laser cutting machine. The first step is creating the design. I prepare the name tag layout on the computer, making sure the text and shapes are clean and easy to cut. Since this is a double-layer tag, I create two parts, the plywood base and the MDF top layer. This will be the first layer of the name tag, providing a strong foundation. The laser carefully cuts out the shape, leaving smooth edges and precise details. After finishing the plywood layer, I switch to the colored MDF. This layer adds contrast and style, making the name tag stand out. The laser cuts the top layer with the same precision, ensuring it matches perfectly with the plywood base. I also changed my laser plexiglass that was quite scratchy. You will see it in later videos. When both layers are ready, I carefully remove them from the machine. At this stage, I check the fit and alignment. The plywood and MDF should stack perfectly, giving the name tag a professional, layered look. Before moving on, I add some color to the plywood layer by painting it. This step really improves the look of the final piece, giving the base a nice finish and making the second layer stand out even more. Next step, I clean the painted MDF carefully. MDF sometimes has a bit of residue or dust from the cutting process, so cleaning ensures a neat and strong final assembly. I use acetone to clean them. With both layers ready, I apply glue to the plywood and place the MDF pieces on top. Pressing them together locks the design in place and highlights the layered effect. And here's the finished double layer name tag. The plywood provides strength, the paint adds depth, and the colored MDF gives the design a stylish and professional finish. This kind of project is perfect for personal name tags, gifts, or small business branding. With just plywood, MDF, a bit of paint, and some creativity, you can create custom designs quickly and easily. These custom name tags are not only great as gifts or branding items, but they're also perfect for children's rooms. You can hang them on the door, place them on the wall, or even use them as decorative signs to personalize their space. Practical uses for the double layer name tag: children's rooms, door signs, wall decorations, toy box labels. Baby nurseries, personalized name plaques above the crib or on the wall. Study rooms/desks, name tags for kids' desks or study corners. Gift ideas, personalized name tags as birthday or baby shower gifts. Classrooms, for labeling student cubbies, lockers, or activity areas. Event decorations, name tags for parties, birthdays, or celebrations. Business branding, custom signage for small shops, craft booths, or office desks. Keychains or bag tags, scaled-down versions for school bags or travel tags. Wedding or event favors, personalized wooden tags for guests. Pet name signs, decorative name plates for pet houses or cages. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more laser cutting tutorials.